Caterpillar that takes the form of a snake when it feels threatened. Ooh. Transform into a snake-like creature in order to scare off would-be predators. Right? Never seen it before.
So yeah, I'm gonna just leave the audio, but
Why? Music?
well,
Let him explain.
In the world. Kind of looks like a dead stick. Until you annoy him.
Oh!
It turns into a perfect
Vin jumped out of his seat there.
If I saw that in real life,
puffs up those eyes.
it looks like a real cobra head.
That is amazing. That's incredible. I mean,
Or not cobra, like a snake head.
it's like a snake with its body chopped in half.
Yeah.
But it's good. If I'm a bird or whatever, I'm convinced. If I'm a bird, I'm convinced.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's very cool. It looks like it has scales too.
People are scared of these around here. You can see why, but
So that's a caterpillar. Amazing.
upside down.
Lovely stuff.
Cool.